Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on the Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So you have to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. In the first step, you have to just go to search bar, then type here control panel, and from the search results, click here to open it. Now from the view by, you have to select the large icons. If you selected category, then select large icons, then just scroll down and then click on sound. Once we are here, we need to firstly try to disable the speakers. So right click on it, select, you can just directly disable it and again enable it. Once done, just select it and go to its properties, and from levels tab, make sure you have to set the speakers up to the 100%, and then from enhancements, check this option, disable all enhancements. Make sure you have to check this option, then click on apply, then OK. Close all windows one by one and just restart the system. Please check out the pinned comment, that will also gonna help you a lot to fix this issue, and don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.